Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. As a client and as a continuous follower of our presentation, you may know that we were targeting this 6260 zone. What happened on the previous days? We know that very clearly. The market was trading in a sideways direction between 6260 and 6320. You can see that once on October 14th, once the price broke this zone, you can see the breakout. So once the price broke this zone, the price went, and after that on October 15th, completely the price was trading within the key zone of 6320 and 6260. So what happened yesterday? Let us see that. So what happened yesterday was, now we are going to see the price opening here. This was the area where the price opened yesterday. So it is just a continuation of what happened on the previous day. You can see more or less you couldn't trace out where the price opened yesterday. You can see October 15th and October 16th. It was a continuation of what happened on the previous day, and our charting platform initially indicated as a sell signal, indicating that the price can come down. So since the price was trading below 6260, it induced a selling. So the price came down. You can see the price came down till 6230, our expected the first support zone. We know that. Let us go back and see what happened on October 14th. The same thing happened. After coming down below 6260, the price came down and it took the support near 6230. From that, the price went and shooted up. Now let us go back and see what happened yesterday. So exactly after trading in this zone 6230, after taking some support, till then charting platform had indicated that the color was in red, and then it changed its color to ash, which means that the market is neutral, because from here the market took a support and it is trying to hit our key area. This was the reference line or the reference zone which we were targeting for crude oil. So now let us see, once the price entered into this zone, clearly our platform is indicating that market is losing its potential for selling and it is slowly moving into buying. That is a major reason why we are providing this charting platform to guide and help you whenever the market situations are quite confusing or difficult to trade. So now you can see after that the price consolidated here for a while. Then you can see the same thing happened. 6260, it tried to provide a breakout with a single straight candlestick. After that, you know that the price went up till 6313, because we know it is a resistance, because on October 15th the price was struggling to break this 6320. so that the price, you can notice that after then the price then dropped down again, it gave a pullback. So it was continuously trying to hit the 6230. It's actually creating a breakout. So now you can see it was quite successful, and it's quite successful in trading above 6320, and the price closed around 6327. So this was the entire price action that happened on yesterday's market. So we clearly picked the zone, and our charting platform as usual did its job by giving us a clear indication where the price is moving, because this charting platform, which can provide you a wonderful automatic buy and sell signal, you should know that this is the reason why we are posting the video presentations. You should know the key areas, what is happening, and how this charting platform is designed to provide you better trade signals. Now you will realize that here you can see that the price was trading in a sideways price direction. It was struggling to find its trend, so the price came down initially, then it struggled here, so the charting platform changed its color to ash, and then it provided you a clear signal indicating the market is moving up. So now let us go and see the open high low close analysis. So you can notice that the opening, yesterday's market price opening is more or less equal to the previous day's price closing. Let us compare that with the previous day's price opening. Here you can see this was the price opening on the previous day. So yesterday's market opened a bit lower compared to the previous day, and the market, the low, so 6220 was the low that was created on yesterday's market. But you can notice that the low is also a bit lower than the previous day price low. So on the previous day the market created a low around 6245. Yesterday market opened lower and then it created a new low compared to the previous day. But what happened was that the market high, so on the previous day the market high was near 6320, but yesterday you notice that the market created a new high around 6348. So it created a new high and the price closing is going to be important, because what happened on the previous day, that was on 15th, was the price really did the same thing what happened on yesterday, but it could not stay above 6320. So we got a closing near 6270s. But what happened on yesterday, the price was quite successful in maintaining its trend and the closing. This is going to be important. We got a closing around 6320. So now on seeing this open high low close analysis, we can come to a conclusion that the momentum for buying is surely shifting. And now let us see what we can do today. Today the expected price opening is going to be somewhere near 6320 on the key support zone, because now it should act as a support. If we are expecting the price to move up, earlier it acted as a resistance, now it should act as a support. So what will be doing is that we will be targeting this, as we always say that support and resistance is not a single line, it is a zone. So we will be targeting on this zone, particularly on the 6320. If there is a continuous buying, or if there is if this is the indication for crude oil to change its trend, what will happen, the market will have the 6320 as a support, and or it will make this as a support for in the today's trading session, and the price will surely climb up and it will reach 6360 and the next target zone of 6420. If you want to know why we had marked this as a target zone, we have all the reason behind that. We will show you clearly. So I am going to delete this. This was a video presentation which we posted yesterday. So I am going to delete all this text. So you may notice that only in these particular areas the market failed and dropped. 6420 here, unable to reach or move above that, the price fell down. 620360. So this acted as a major resistance. So that was the reason why we are targeting how we are drawing the next target zone. It is purely based upon the price actions and supports and resistance. So if there is any buying, so the price should take this as a support and move on. So for buyers, the market should continuously maintain the 6260 zone. Here we had marked this with a blue color box. This is the clear stop loss zone. If the price is staying completely above this, the market will gain momentum to reach all these targets. But we cannot take this 6320 very easily. As usual, we always say that this 6320 and in this particular zone, within this zone we cannot take it very easily. So on seeing the entire price action, we can conclude that the market is favorable for buyers. But please don't take it very easily. Trade with strict stop loss, because if again and again if the price is struggling to move above 6320, it will push the price down to 6260. This particular zone, again the market will be tested. So watch the zones carefully, and on looking at the various analysis, we can say that the market is favoring for buyers. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.